Welcome everybody, Crypto Parent back here for another quick short video. We're going to do some shorts now where we do them 3 minutes or less. Get a lot of questions. We got stuff going crazy. We got Vine, people worried they missed that. They missed Trump coin. First of all, this is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Do not spend what you cannot afford to lose. If you are in meme coins, especially newer ones, things that are trending that haven't been out for a long time, very, very risky. I know somebody that spent 50 bucks, it went up to about $4,000, went back down to $10. Take out some profits, at least take out, if it goes up, take out what you originally had in it so you don't lose anything, but just be careful, please. You might lose it all. But I ask a lot of people, how do I find things out about tokens? I use dextools.io a lot. So this is Dex Tools. You can connect your Phantom wallet and do trades and swaps on here. But when you type in like I'm looking at Benji, I do own this. It's one I like. Again, not financial advice. Just make sure it's money you can lose. This tells you the liquidity, the market cap, tells you how many holders. You can go down and watch. It's gotten divided up by shrimp and little fish and whales. Depending how much green means they bought it, red means they sold it. You can look up holders. It'll tell you which ones they are, the top traders. You can click top traders. It will actually switch and show you what their wallets are, how much they hold, stuff like that. So this is where I go when I want to, one of the places I go. You can go to CoinGecko and look at stuff, but I like that this shows the chart. You can find their website if they have one, their X account, Telegram, all that stuff it shows there. You can, zoom this in. You can go, 5 minute, 1 minute, you can do 1 minute charts. You can do 3 minute charts, six month charts, depending what you want to see how fast it's moving. But I do like to know the holders. I like to know the percentage of supply that the devs are holding. You don't usually want a coin if the devs have 50-80% of it. It's probably not something you want to be in. If they have 10-15%, then that means there's still a lot out there and other buyers. The devs aren't controlling the whole coin. So I'm going to get more into this stuff as we do other shorts, but I just wanted to show you this and say dextools.io is something I would check out, and I think you might enjoy it. Give it a look. And I appreciate you watching. Crypto Parent on X is the best place to reach me. Let me know what you want to see next on the video. Thank you. Bye.